Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I will do my this is my early 2024-2025 Premier League predictions in this tier list. So yeah, I'm predicting this because there will be so many upsets coming up. So yeah, stay tuned to see who will be my champions. But first, let's predict Arsenal. See, Arsenal, they have been really good. They finished second in the last 2 years. And possibly they might get Lautaro Martinez or Dusan Vlahovic. But they're seemingly inconsistent when in the big games, and I think this season they might finish second or third. I think they'll get Champions League, but you never know. So this is my early prediction, and by next year, I will react to my predictions. So alright. So now, Aston Villa. So Aston Villa, they got Champions League last year. So they have Arsenal in second. So that's why I placed them in order. So Aston Villa, I personally think that I think they will get the budget. I think they might get Lautaro Martinez or even Osimhen. And with this, I think that they have the rights to finish third or fourth place. Yeah, so this might be some interesting, but I'll put Aston Villa in third place. Now we got Bournemouth. So Bournemouth, yeah, what can you say about them, guys? They are some consistent. They are consistent sometimes, but they might be inconsistent against the big boys. So with that, I will put them in 15th in 17th place. So that is my prediction for Bournemouth. Now Brentford, they're the same as Bournemouth. They have Ivan Toney, but I don't know if they can go. I don't think if they can stay. I personally think that they will get beaten by Leicester, Newcastle, Crystal Palace, Ipswich, and Newcastle, and some of the big boys. And I personally think, I'm sorry, Brentford fans, but I think you guys will get relegated. Yeah, I think you guys will get relegated. So now, I will. Now we have Brighton. Brighton, they got so unlucky last year. They lost Caicedo, Alexis McAllister. I personally think that they will go and come back, and I think they'll be go in seventh place. I think that's my prediction. And now we got some of the big boys. Now we'll go with Chelsea. So Chelsea, yeah, they finished sixth, and in the first start of the season they are 10, 12. So I personally think that they will be in the Conference League again. And if they can win the Conference League, they'll be in the Europa League. So they have some competition. Alright, so now we got the defending Premier League champions, Manchester City. What can you say about them? This is turning into a Farmers League. Manchester City, Manchester City. They're just doing it right now, man. I cannot believe that they're turning this into a Farmers League. But I'm gonna say that Manchester City will be Premier League champions again. Now we got Everton. Ooh, this time with how they're playing right now, I think they might avoid relegation again. I think they'll go win 16th place. Nottingham Forest, I don't know. They're one of the unpredictable teams. I think they'll go win the 17th spot. Now we got Fulham, and I think they'll go win 11th place. So yeah, they got Raul Jimenez. Yeah, you can name stuff. So now we got Ipswich Town. They're the newly promoted team. So I don't know if they can stay up because there are so many good teams here. For now, I will put them in the relegation battle. So is Ipswich Town, but I think you guys get relegated. So Leicester City, this time they won't get relegated and they'll be in 12th place. Now we get Leeds United. What can you say? What can you say about them? So I personally think that they will go in the relegation battle too. So there's the three that are relegated. Brentford, Ipswich, Leeds. Yeah, they're gonna get relegated. Sorry guys. Now we got Liverpool. Now no Jurgen Klopp. And possibly Mo Salah has 1 year in the contract. I personally think this is too harsh. But I gotta do it, man. Liverpool are going to the Europa League again. Yeah, they're gonna get back at the Europa League. Oof, I don't know if many Liverpool fans are gonna be happy with this, but that's in my opinion. I love upsets. Now we got Manchester United. Oof. Manchester United, I think they're going to be in 8th place again. Yeah, what can you say about them, guys? Newcastle, I think they'll be in 9th. They're inconsistent last year. Crystal Palace are gonna be in 10th. Wolves will go in 13th. West Ham in 14th. And finally, Spurs, you'll be joining the lads. So Spurs will be in the Champions League again. So that is my Premier League early predictions for the 2024-2025 season. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Tomorrow I will upload my Ballon d'Or 2024 predictions. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.